I'm going to show you the screen here on your HP OfficeJet Pro 6968. A few things that you probably need to know. Say for instance, you want to clean your printer head, but you probably want to do this every month. Just run the cycle through to clean the printer heads, especially if you're not printing a lot. The only thing you need to do here on the home screen, just bring your finger here and slide down. Once you slide down, you want to go over here to settings. You hit the settings and you want to go up until you find printer maintenance. You hit this printer maintenance and it says clean printer head. You hit that and it say the printer head is ready to start cleaning. So what you want to do is hit continue, and what it's going to do is going to go through the cycle of cleaning the head, and this takes a couple of minutes. I won't hold you up on this. I'm gonna just show you a few other neat things that you can do with this, on this screen. So after probably about a minute, it prints out a sheet of paper, which you see right here. It printed mine out. I've been having problems with my black ink. It's about out anyway, so I'm gonna have to change my black ink. But everything else is printing really good. This is after I cleaned everything a couple of days ago. So I'm gonna have to get another black cartridge. And you can also set this up to where once it gets really low, it'll automatically send a message to your Prime membership, and they will ship you one overnight. So you don't have to worry about getting this done. It will automatically link it up to your Amazon and it'll ship it to you once it determines that your printer cartridges is low. So I'm going to show you how to check and see if your printer cartridges is low. I'm going to hit this done right here, and I'm going to go back to home. And then what you want to do is just slide down, and you can go over here. You see the ink, you hit that, and you notice that my inks are really low, and once it gets to a level, it'll send a little alert right there, and that would automatically send an email, or it'll automatically order a cartridge for you if you got it set up that way. But that's how you check your levels right here. So I know this one's running low. If you want to just check this out, you can click it and you can print, and it's going to show you what it looks like once it's finished printing. As you see, it printed all the levels, and you notice that my black, it printed nothing. So that's basically, it's out of ink. So I'm gonna have to put another black cartridge in there. So you can go back right here, that's the back button, or you can go to the home. I'm gonna slide down and just show you some more features here. You got a lot of stuff you can set up, or you just got to scroll and slide to the right or left. Then the settings right here. You can go to the quiet mode, preferences. You got network, Wi-Fi. It's a lot of stuff. You remember we went right here for the printer maintenance to run to clean the heads. You got power management. You got reports. So it's a lot of stuff that you can do on this screen. The thing about it, I didn't know, you just make sure you remember and just slide down, and that's where all your functions are at. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Also click the like and turn on your notification. Thank you and have a great day.